Hello guys, welcome to Tutorials Everywhere, and today I am going to show you how to install new Windows Terminal. So here is the link. And now you can click on get free. It's for free. Before it was available on GitHub, but that version was not for public. Now you can click on get, open Microsoft Store, install. So it's installed now. You can see. Now click on launch, and here's your brand new Windows Terminal, and here you can use command line and Ubuntu as well. So by default you will not see Ubuntu 18.04. If you want to install Ubuntu 18.04 terminal, then you can download it from the Microsoft website, as I'll show you in this video. So after installing the new Windows Terminal, now I will show you how to install Ubuntu Terminal in Windows Terminal. For that, we will go to Control Panel, and in Control Panel we'll turn on the feature Windows Subsystem for Linux, and I'll press OK. And now it is enabling that feature. Just wait. Applying the changes. And once this is installed, we need to reboot our laptop or PC. Just wait for a few seconds. So that feature has been enabled, and now I'm going to restart my laptop, and once it's back I'll continue this video. So now I'm going to install Ubuntu 18.04 LTS to use Ubuntu Terminal, and you can download it from here, and I have already downloaded it from here, and I have launched it, and now it is asking for you. Now I'm going to give it's the username as my Windows user, tutorials everywhere, and password successfully updated. Okay, cool. So now our Ubuntu terminal installed successfully. We can check this from our Windows terminal. You can click on Windows terminal, and if you click on the new tab, then you can see the icon of Ubuntu 18.04. See, now it's installed. Enjoy, have a good day. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and also share with your friends. Thank you.